Good morning, legends. Well, it is 20 to 4 going snapper fishing. We set the time at 4:15 to be here. I think by now, after all the years of been fishing, that be able to sleep, even just for snapper. Still get bloody excited, feel like a kid at Christmas time. So we're getting up nice and early, send it out, and get there right for the sunrise. We take you with us. She's dark out there. We'll get set up, put it in the water, putt out there till we get a bit of light. A few pots around, so I want to be very clear of those and have a bit of light to navigate around them, because the last thing you want to do is proper pot this time in the morning. Let's go. Ready? Yep. Oh, look at that. Yum. We're gonna knock him out with the anchor. Oh, there's the light just there. Morning, Craney.
Morning.
How do you reckon to go today?
I reckon we'll get some horses.
You.
Snapper's pat.
Anchor's in. Time to burley. Get the lines in the water. Non-stop.
Non-stop all day, baby. Even though it's like so small.
Oh yeah. It's still there. It is small. Should fit in the net, fellas. Yeah, little baby pink.
Tiny.
She's a start.
Beast. That's a brim.
Pink brim. Oh. Good news is they should get bigger from here.
It's got dewy stripes.
See you in another 90 centimetres, mate. There she is, lights on the water, snapper o'clock. Bit of Christmas burley there, a few prawns.
Christmas burley always gets the pinkies, eh?
A bit of Christmas tinsel on the hooks.
Yeah.
That one's just going down, eh?
Oh, I reckon you're on.
You're right. You're on it. I mean, give it here. Oh, that's a good one.
I don't know. Good bit of snap.
Straight down.
Oh, it's not under the boat.
Tighten him up, bro. Big fella.
Oh,
That's big.
it is there.
Ah, you're right. Get out from under there, buddy.
I just had to tighten your line up.
Oh, there you go. Jeez. Flash going on.
Pink. Sure.
Oh.
That's a big pink.
That's a big pink.
Oh, wait.
Unbelievable. I said, no, you're alright, wind it in. Am I right? No, it's probably be a PB for me. Oh, well, I owe you one now. Oh, that is a bloody snapper. Holy shit.
Lush green too.
Oh yes. Snappers packed. Boys are just doubting, are we in the right spot? Should we move? No, we stay here.
On Bunyip's rod. I just tightened it up to check his line, recast, and then I think you're on here, mate.
Ooh, he's stuffed down there. So instead of snelled, we just used some assist hooks in there. It's a quick rig.
Alright, stand back here.
What do you want, the big Bunyip measurer?
95.
96 or 7 on the IGFA unapproved Bunyip sticker.
Non-stop all day, baby.
Woohoo!
Yes.
In the esky.
First time for 2023.
Oh,
Boys are on.
that would have been a PB for me too. Oh.
Secretly dying.
Ah, June. Missed the bite.
Oh, Jesus, that was a good bite. They're still around. Hit this burley going. See if we can land another one.
Well, it is a new here, so now I'm one up. I'm also one up on the snapper too.
I got one. Yeah, it's just not a donkey. That'll be the PB straight up. 2023.
Average up when you're fucking stealing.
Going for,
Seaweed Hunters 2023.
going for a vegan snapper. We're going to move spots. Going to push it out a bit wider. Having a bit of anchor dramas here. Head out there, see if we can get something. And it's still howling.
Yep.
Oh, he is on.
Hey, Craney.
Hopefully not a ray.
He's doing a big run. Yeah, my bar.
Looking like head shapes there.
Yeah. That is a big run.
We don't have huge structure just here, though. So,
What's the time, brother?
the time is 7 o'clock.
Nah, it's about, it's gotta be about 7:15. Yeah. There you go. Good job, fellas, and we're still on. It is howling out here. We weren't going anywhere anyway, we're just waiting for this wind to drop. It's coming up. Oh, is it? It was a shark.
That's a big fucking record.
Yeah. Could be a bit of flake here. Oh, bastard.
What is it?
Shark. He's hooked up my line too. Bro, can you go this camera?
Yeah, hold on. I don't have enough room for that kind of shit, my friend.
Or you can let it go. You want to crack?
Yeah.
Off he goes.
Right, Dicko, your line.
Going for a trawl. I'm not expecting much. This wind is howling. We're keen to keep fishing. You never know. You don't give it a crack.
We'll get him.
And we've hooked up, who knows what, didn't run very hard. But Bunyip's on. INSALT Excalibur.
What is it?
Little tuna. Little
Yeah.
blue.
Leave that, mate. Oh, bloody. How'd that hit that lure over that little mini skirt, eh?
I'm gonna make a mess.
Oh, that's good. Perfect release there, mate. See that? Came clean on.
What are we doing? We're keeping it or throwing it?
Yeah, bleed that out.
Yeah.
Boom.
That's nice.
That's a little jelly baby, mate. I'm eating that when I get home.
I better hold him up for a pic.
Yeah. Hold it out.
We weren't really
Hold it out further so he looks bigger.
He's gonna do the little heart attack thing on me. He's pumping blood. I gotta bleed him
Yeah,
out.
you better bleed him, bro.
But we didn't really expect much trawling, but there you go.
It's still terrible out here, but we'll have another go.
I can't believe that. Cheers to the old boy getting us a deck wash for Christmas. We got a wet dot now. That's for stealing me snapper. Been in there for a while, eh, boys?
She's snapped off. Oh, she's a bit dirty, man.
To the side.
I won't say that.
I think she's. Oh, there might be one.
I'll chuck it over.
You don't go that crazy. First one empty. Pot number 2.
Come on, baby.
How many you reckon's in there?
Whole bag.
Oh, it's coming up pretty easy though. Looks like someone's already pulled it.
Getting close?
Nah, about 20 metres to go. Yeah, I see colour.
Big pinky.
Yeah, nearly there.
Stop.
I'll get that thing, eh?
Oh, we got some crows.
Praise, boys!
Chuck it in there. Chuck it on here, eh?
Yeah. Camera there. What do we got here? Little red?
Baby.
Tiny. That's a cacker.
What is that,
Gauge. Down here.
Got any size?
Oh, just size, boy, by
Got
2
it.
mil.
Calling it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bloody oath.
Chucking that blue one.
So we've got 3. Far from a bag out, but add that to the pinky and a bit of tuna. Got a bloody seafood bloody basket going on here, gents.
Yeah, she's size.
RV. Is he dead or what?
Probably.
Yeah, old age.
Yeah.
Just, yeah.
There's no movement. That's bang on though. Can't really complain with that.
Nah.
I'm not arguing.
Oh, that tops off a fun day's fishing.
Really
We'll head in and weigh up this snapper. Been a while, but we're having a weigh in.
Where are you going to hook it?
Stick it
Funny.
to the hooks.
No, just hold it.
Funny nose, it looks a bit like cranies, eh?
I'll run him in there. Oh, yeah, in the hooks, eh?
Yeah.
That's why I leave the hooks in. We haven't had a weigh in for a while. What are we calling it, fellas, before we get to it?
11.
11?
Nah, probably 9.
9.5.
I'm going 10.
9.5 lead.
Oh, get it away from me.
Got it? Should I
Yeah.
take the weight off?
Nah, it's not giving the weight.
I got the weight.
You alright?
Ready?
Yeah.
There we go.
Working?
Yeah, it's working. Just waiting for it to settle. Looks like it's 8.1, 8.9, 8.8.
I might get these
8.8.
calibrated, boys.
Hey?
This one must have been on a bit of a diet.
Yeah.
A bender from New Year's.
I took all them sinkers out of it that you put in, mate.
Oh well, with that, fellas, we'll call it a wrap.
Beauty.
Have it up there. Keep on. Yeah, cheers for watching. Dwayne, Non Stop Fillets. Jump on YouTube, Instagram. Shout him out. Leave a comment, whatever. Like, subscribe if you want. Catch you later.
Non-stop all day.
This guy's got the right idea. He'll be going pretty quick today, I reckon. Oh.
Saving on the juice.
Sorry mate, but I want this wind to go.
At least he's enjoying the wind.